Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I got some friend mail from my very dear friend Betty Vick. And look at that, she's got some shredded wheat on the box, and she told me that she enjoyed decorating the box with that. And there is more on the front and a panther, but our addresses are on there. Hang on, let me see if I can figure this out. I'm going to show you the palette that I'm wearing, but I don't want to show her address by mistake. So here. Look how cute is that? How cute is that? So Betty sent me some friend mail. I'm going to tell you first what I'm wearing. I have on the Nomad Ghost Town USA palettes. So this is Ghost Town, and then look at, isn't that cool? Daytime, nighttime. And this palette is wonderful. I just love these cool tones in here. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous palette. Love it. And on my lips, I have MAC's E for Effortless. It's a little strong for a t-shirt, but that's what I have on. So this is the classic MAC lipstick. And there we have it. Okay. So Betty told me she was sending me some things. So let's see what it is. I cut it open. And inside, she used an IPSY extra box. There's a card right on top, and the card says, "Hey there, Mary. Snacks are better than bubble wrap." So instead of bubble wrap, she's got snacks in here. That's so funny. Thanks so much for your friendship. It means so much that you check in on me. P.S. I'm fond of the big shredded wheat biscuits too. Oh, I love them. I love them. I haven't had those in a long time. Betty, this is gonna make me go get some. I love shredded wheat. Do they still sell them? I hope so. I hope so. All right, let me open this. Try not to ruin the lettering on here. And Betty always finds me the best cards. A cat's one of my favorite things here. Cats and pizza and the stars. I love that, Betty. And the pizza's flying. And it says, "Dear Mary, if a kitten eating pizza in space doesn't make your birthday awesome, then I am out of ideas." Oh, rather your Sephora birthday. I told y'all I had got some stuff from Sephora, and my birthday is at Christmas time, and y'all, several of you said you do the same thing, but your birthday is not at Christmas time. And like when we sign up for stuff and they get, Ulta, Sephora, those kind of places, and they give you something for free for your birthday, I change the month sometimes on different things. So I don't get everything right at Christmas time when it's other times that we're getting presents. And boy, I'm really off kilter. Why is that? That's a mess back there. I must have hit it, or sometimes smudge plays with that. We'll fix it later. Anyway, so thank you, Betty. Since it's the mid-year extra birthday. Okay, in the tin are the hydrating packs. Now, this is what Betty said she was sending to me. She has some hydrating water packs, and here in the South, it's very humid. I need to drink those. I need the electrolytes. So this is something that I'm reading it. Her husband was getting some of them and then didn't maybe like it. I'm not going to read everything that she says on here. So she sent some cats for me and the kitties. She's always sending me some nice snacks. So, okay, let's see what you got. Some of my favorites. Now, I was introduced to this by Betty. This is my bubble wrap. In place of bubble wrap, she sent me the candies. These are coffee candies. These are wonderful. If you need this has real coffee in it, so it has caffeine. Not a ton or anything, because it's a small, it's a candy, a hard candy. But these are the Copico. I hope I'm saying that right. World's #1 real coffee hard candy. Real coffee, anytime, anywhere coffee candy. They're just delightful. Suck on them. They give you a little wake up. So, and they're sweet, they're candy. So this is from distributed from Takari International in Ontario, Canada. but it's a product of Indonesia. They're wonderful. Thank you, Betty. I love that. And then here is the tin. Look at this gorgeous tin, y'all. It has cats all the way around. I love this tin, Betty. This is so sweet. And then, oh, and it tells all the names of the cats. British Shorthair, Tortoiseshell, Turkish Angora, Ginger Tabby, Dragon Lee, Siamese. How cute is that? I love that, Betty. This is heavy. This was supposed to be a few little hydration sticks, but there's a lot in here. Camille, are you coming up? Betty has pets. Oh, yes. This is, okay, okay, let's see what we got in here. Okay, these are some that her husband had opened, and then he didn't need them anymore. This is just my favorite ones. I love it. Okay, Camille, she likes the box, Betty. Camille does. Camille doesn't like much of anything, so, but she knows it's from Betty. So these liquid IVs, I want to say we were first introduced to liquid IVs in the Walmart box, or maybe FABFITFUN. It's been several years, but I have trouble staying hydrated because I take blood pressure medicine, so and it's humid, and but honestly, sometimes I use these in the winter as well. Depends on what's going on. I think it's my medications that do that to me. So I do like the liquid IVs. They're very strong. A lot of people don't like them. But what I do is, because you take this stick and you put it into a bottle of water. So 16-ounce bottle of water. I use half. So I put it into a quart, which are 2 bottles of water. So that's what I do. So it dilutes it, but then I also get the electrolytes. So thank you, Betty, so much. I love it, and I will use every one of these. Thank you. There's a lot in there, y'all. So thank you, Betty. That's heavy too. I love that tin. So pretty, so pretty. Oh, and then we have some treats for the kitties. Now, these are Camille's favorites. Of course, the boys, they'll eat any snack, but Camille is very, very picky about treats, and she only likes the Temptations brand. I've had some other brands. I get some in the Spoiled Cats Club, and they're the little pillow kinds, which is what the Temptations are, and she'll might eat 1 or 2, but the boys love those, but she likes the Temptations. So these are shrimpy shrimp flavor. Oh, that's one of her favorites. Betty, look at how cute that package is with that pink and everything. So she will love these. Thank you so much, Betty. Thank you. And then we have some Grace and Stella eye masks. Love them. Look at how pretty everything. Betty does everything so pretty. It's beautiful ribbon. This ribbon has hearts on it, and there's glitter. The hearts are glitter. I don't know if that's coming across. Maybe you can see. I put it up close. Maybe you can see that. Beautiful. Thank you, Betty. Grace and Stella eye masks are so lovely. Let's see. There are, okay. Oh, there's some different ones. Okay. There's a couple of the gold pair. These are originally when I started doing my channel, Grace and Stella it came in my BoxyCharm, I think. And I had never had the Grace and Stella brand before. And the gold ones were the ones we got, and I just love them. And they do have different colors. And these are some blue ones. And these are all lovely, lovely, and pink ones. Thank you, Betty. We love. I love the eye masks. You know I do. And then some more bubble wrap snack. This is Pocky. I think Betty has sent me these before. They're really good. This is from the company Glico, G-L-I-C-O. It is a product of Indonesia, and they're called Pocky, and they are a cookie stick. It's a cookie stick, and then they're dipped in strawberry. It's a strawberry cream covered biscuit sticks. So it's like a chocolate, a strawberry white chocolate or something on there. These are really good. I'll show you what they look like. I've had them before. They come in a bag like that, and then we'll just open it up. You all know I have trouble opening everything, but now when it comes to snacks, I never seem to have trouble opening snacks. So this is what it looks like. There's a million in there. Right, hang on. You know what? I think they got melted a little bit on the trip, but we'll get one out. Oops. Here, oops, I broke one. Well, hang on. Oh, I can smell that strawberry. It smells delish. Okay. Oops, I'm breaking them as I take them out because they're stuck together a little bit because it's so hot. But okay, this is what they look like, y'all. So, see, it's a cookie under there and then strawberry. And they're just little lovely, delicate treats. Delicious. Strawberry flavored. It does taste like white chocolate, strawberry white chocolate. And then, y'all, my favorite thing of all time. I know I say that about a lot of things, but Betty knows. Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cleanser. I love this. This is my favorite cleanser. My very, very favorite cleanser. I love it. It's so mild. It doesn't strip, and it just feels really good. It smells really good too. It's very lightly scented, but I love the smell. And this will be, I'm sure it'll be sealed. Yeah. Can't smell it because it's sealed. But this is a nice size. It has a cap that opens like that. So you can take that with you. Whoop, I have it upside down. Travel with you. Betty, thank you so much. She's so good to me, y'all. Y'all are all so good to me. So Betty, I will take full advantage of everything here. I'm going to be munching on these fabulous strawberry sticks. They're delicious, delicious. And I love this tin. You know, I think what I'm going to do with this tin, I have, in my office, I have a bookshelf. I'm going to put that up on that bookshelf because it'll be super cute up there. Thank you, Betty, so much. I love everything, and it's so sweet of you to think of me. I appreciate you so, so much. And y'all, I love y'all so much. I love you, Betty. And y'all take care and count your blessings. Good to see y'all. Bye-bye.